Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you if your WhatsApp notification is not available when someone calling you and message you, then no notification is available. So how we can fix this problem in your iPhone device. So let's start the video without wasting time. This is Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down. So friends, you can see here apps option. Now tap on apps. Now scroll down. Again scroll down. You can see here WhatsApp option. Now tap on WhatsApp application. Now you can see here notifications. Now tap on notifications. And you can see here allow notifications toggle is off. Now tap on toggle and turn it on. So friends, you can see here notifications toggle is on. So now sounds and badges option is on. If toggles is off, then tap on toggles and turn it on. And also you can manage your notifications on lock screen, notification center or banners. You can select the design. Now go back, close the settings. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to enable notifications of WhatsApp without any computer, without any third-party application software. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.